Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make peanut butter cake. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees F and grease an 8-inch pan before you begin. I'll guide you through mixing dry and wet ingredients, folding in peanut butter, and choosing the right bake time. You'll learn simple swaps, how to avoid a dense crumb, and a quick glaze idea to finish. Follow along and feel free to pause or rewind as needed. Start by gathering ingredients and measuring carefully for consistent results. I recommend spooning and leveling flour, using room temperature eggs, and choosing creamy peanut butter for a better crumb. Mix wet ingredients first, then add dry ingredients gently to avoid overmixing. I'll explain simple swaps like using oil or butter and how sugar affects texture. Small adjustments can make a big difference, so move at a relaxed pace. Bake the cake on the center rack for even heat and check at 25 minutes with a toothpick. Let it cool for about 10 minutes in the pan, then transfer to a wire rack to finish cooling completely. I'll walk you through a quick peanut butter glaze that takes 2 minutes to make and a frosting option if you want something richer. Little touches like chopped peanuts add great texture and flavor.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.